As our own reports show, over 7,000 academics were expelled, 14 universities were shut down, and many of their passports were revoked, turning them into stateless intellectuals. Freedom of expression in Turkey is not just under attack. It's being criminalized as terrorism. Articles 299 and 301 Penal Code and the terrorist propaganda in the anti-terror law are used to punish opinion itself. As a result, self-censorship becomes a survival strategy. We call upon the OSCE, participating states, and especially the European partners to demand the release of imprisoned journalists and academics and ensure that freedom of expression is non-negotiable in any engagement with Turkey. Monitor transnational repression targeting exiled journalists, protect asylum-seeking journalists by preventing political extraditions, and finally, to affirm that truth-telling is not terrorism. At Human Rights Defenders, we believe that defending journalists and free speech is defending democracy itself. Thank you.
Thank you.